Or kare-kare, a simplified version. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Here I've got crushed garlic, crushed ginger, diced onions, and a couple of bay leaves. All in goes into the pot. Fry until the aromatic pan smells good. I use the beef bones for my recipe. Now add into the pot. On a high heat, sear the meat. Then add a liter of water. Also add a tablespoon of rock salt. Put the lid on and slow cook for about 1 hour. While it's cooking, on another pot add 500 milliliters water and a pinch of salt. I add the veggies for the recipe. In goes the beans. After a minute interval, I add aubergine or eggplant. Simmer for another minute. And on top I put the pak choi veggie for steaming. After a minute, veggies are almost done. Meanwhile, mix the rice flour with ground peanuts, which I prepared earlier. Keep mixing until combined. Beef bones looks ready. After 1 hour, the beef bones are done. Now on the other pot, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Then fry the annatto seeds. Keep stirring until you obtain the right color. It should be on a low heat setting, otherwise you will burn the seeds. Now you can see that the color becomes darker. Drain the seeds off after, so annatto oil is ready for use. Once heated up, fry the garlic and diced onions. Add the meat from the beef bones. It looks very tender. Let's now add the mixture ground peanuts and rice flour. Mix thoroughly. Once combined, add the broth from beef bones. Mix. Add a pinch of salt. Also add pepper. Put the lid on and simmer for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's ready to serve. Just look how creamy it is. If you haven't tried it before, maybe you should think of trying something different. What do you think of my version of peanut stew? This is just looking delicious. I prefer to add the leafy veggies on top, just to make it look beautiful. You can also add a crushed peanut on top for extra crunchiness. But for me, this is just perfect for my craving. I can't wait to share this with you. Bon appetit!